Hey there. Today, we're diving into a fascinating solution to the scorching heat waves plaguing our cities. Imagine if the answer to sweltering summers was right above our heads. Yes, I'm talking about rainwater harvesting from rooftops, a potential game changer in the fight against extreme heat. Now, you might be thinking, how can rainwater help with heat waves? Well, let me tell you, it's all about strategic cooling. A recent study from the University of Manchester reveals a brilliant idea. They modeled a system that collects rainwater from rooftops and sprinkles it onto buildings during hot weather. This simple act of cooling roofs has a ripple effect. Firstly, it reduces the heat transferred into buildings, which means less reliance on energy-guzzling air conditioning. And here's the kicker, less aircon means less heat waste released into the city, creating a cooler urban environment. It's like a natural air conditioning system. What makes this approach even more intriguing is the timing. The study suggests that the moment you turn on these rooftop sprinklers is crucial. It's not just about dumping water, it's about doing it at the right time, like when the roof reaches a certain temperature. This strategic timing has a more significant impact than the size of the water tank or the amount of water used. It's all about precision. Now, you might wonder, why not just crank up the air conditioning? Well, here's the catch. Air conditioning, while providing relief, comes with its own set of challenges. The International Energy Agency estimates that space cooling, primarily air conditioning, consumed a massive chunk of global electricity in 2022. And with extreme heat becoming more common, the demand for aircon units is expected to skyrocket. This surge in demand could strain energy grids and lead to a spike in emissions. But it's not just about energy. The refrigerants used in air conditioning, like hydrofluorocarbons, are potent greenhouse gases. These chemicals trap heat in the atmosphere far more effectively than CO2. So, while air conditioning provides temporary relief, it contributes to the very problem it aims to solve in the long run. It's a bit like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. Interestingly, the concept of cool roofs has been gaining traction. Researchers from UCL and the University of Exeter found that painting roofs with reflective colors, like white, could significantly lower air temperatures. Imagine if we combined these cool roofs with rainwater sprinklers. It's a 1-2 punch against heat waves. In my opinion, these innovative solutions highlight a shift towards sustainable urban planning. We're moving away from reactive measures like air conditioning and embracing proactive strategies that work with nature. Rainwater harvesting and cool roofs are not just about comfort, they're about resilience and adaptability. As the climate warms, these ideas could become essential tools in our urban survival kit. So, the next time you look up at a rooftop, remember that it might hold the key to a cooler, more sustainable future. It's all about thinking outside the box and embracing nature's solutions. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring these fascinating ideas together.